Hey, Mr. Smelly Art, can you draw some shadows? Hi there, and welcome at Smelly Art. Damn, it's hot here today. It's really summer in Belgium now, and I'm told this could be the hottest day of the year, but it gave me a great idea for a new video, drawing shadows. So the idea is drawing a character using only its shadows, and the rules are as followed. 1. No contour lines. 2. Inks only, no pencil drawing first. And 3. Shadows only. And 4. No colors. Just black and white. And as a character for this challenge, I chose the Hulk, because he has a great face for shadows, I think. So this should be great fun. Let's get drawing. So let's get started. I will be drawing a headshot of the Hulk in a 3/4 view with a strong light source coming from the right, so I will have some big shadows on the left of his face. As we are drawing shadows only in this drawing, I start on the left where the big shadows are, and I will be slowly moving to the right where I will have to be more subtle with the inks. I thought it was a good idea to show you a part of the drawing process in real time, as I often get the question how long it took me to create my illustrations. The pen I'm using here is a zebra pen, which is a Japanese drawing pen with a sort of brush nib. They come in 3 sizes, and the one I'm using here has the largest nib. As you can see, I already established the contours of the right side of his face. So now we can start with blocking in the large shadow parts on his forehead, the cheeks and his jawline. I think it's time now to kick this into time-lapse, and I will be back with you for the next stage. So at this point I already have a large part of the shadows of his face done, and we can already recognize the different facial features of the Hulk. For the next technique I wanted to talk about rendering, being hatching and cross-hatching. These are little lines that create a gradient effect. You can see it as a sort of gray value, and it also conveys the texture of his skin. It gives the illustration more depth and a more pleasing and interesting aesthetic. I will finish the rest of this illustration in time-lapse and will be back with you for some final words. that wraps up this week's video. I really hope you liked it. I did. I really love drawing a character with shadows only. Maybe I will do this again in the future. It was great fun, and I also really liked the result. Did you like the result? Please comment below. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you didn't subscribe already, please do. And hit the notification bell so you will certainly be notified when I put up new content. It's every Friday I put up a new video. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a friend or a family member who would like to see this kind of videos as well, don't hesitate to share. So this wraps up the video for this week. Bye! What kind of illustration or drawing challenge would you like me to do in future videos? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, maybe it's a good idea to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any content I put up in the future. It would mean a lot. High resolution versions of all my drawings can be found on deviantart.com/smolly. And if you like to stay in touch through social media, you can follow me there as well. You can find all links down below in the comment section. That's it for now. We'll see each other again next Friday for a new Smolly Art video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.